Welcome back. Today, we're going to discuss one of the most requested topics as to how to add your resumes to LinkedIn. We're going to break this down into multiple steps to make this really easy for you to upload your resume and display that on your LinkedIn. We also have a really interesting tip at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned in till the end. So here we go. All right, so let's begin adding your resume to your LinkedIn profile. If you have any difficulties following the video, make sure that you head over to our blog. We have a beautiful blog post on the same topic. We have broken down by steps so you can follow at your own pace. All right, first things first, let's head to LinkedIn. From here, we'll go to our profile. So in my case, I can click on this, or I can go from here, clicking on view profile to my profile. So once I've done that, I'll scroll down. So here I have a featured section. You can enable that on your profile. So step one, I'll click on this. Here you can add posts, articles, links, media. I'll tap on media. All right, so it opens this box to select your file. In my case, I have a file that I created on March 27th. So I can just click on this and open. So here it gives me the option of adding title as well as description. So if you want the recruiter to know more about you, if there are other keywords that are really useful in your industry and something that you've really worked on, you can add them here. You can change this to whatever title you want. In my case, I'll just write Anish Hegde's resume just to make it look good. Then I click on save and voila. You'll notice that my resume has appeared here. So for anyone who comes onto my profile, they can tap on this and they can see my resume. Now this is amazing. Like the recruiter will be able to look at your resume, try to download it, and get a copy of your resume. So that's it. It's that simple. Now you can even order how your posts go. So basically, if you have other posts or links, you can drag it and drag it back and then save it to actually order your resume. Here is the bonus part. So now, though this looks great, I want the recruiters to be attracted to this exact position, right? I want the recruiters to look at my resume, and there is a very easy way to do this. All right, so let's do one thing. Let's just delete this for now, and I'll log in. I'll go to my. All right, so I have my resume puppy editor open. I'll go to my resume listing screen. So I have multiple resumes here. What I would generally do is I would rename my resumes based on the companies or the kind of profile I'm applying to. So in my case, I'll head over to the resume listing screen. I'll click on share. It generates a really good resume review for me. I'll copy the link, head back to LinkedIn. Now, instead of creating a media, I'll create a link and I'll just paste the link over here. And there you go. Such a beautiful preview that comes up. I can add any kind of title and description like before, and I'll save it. So basically what happens is now there is this bright colors that comes onto your profile featured section. So if any recruiter or manager were to scroll down to this section, they'll be able to see this part and be inclined to click on it. So when you click on it, it opens the PDF in a beautiful PDF viewer. You can download it, you can zoom in, you can go to the next page if you have multiple page resumes, and it sort of increases the amount of attention someone visiting your profile sort of gives to your resume, right? And yeah, so this is the bonus section. So I would definitely ask users to use this feature to enhance their profiles on LinkedIn.